I can hear the children outside actually cheer. Thank you so much, all the kids who are out there. Thank you very much. Um, I feel very overwhelmed to be here today, not just because of the memories that I've had here, especially in this auditorium, like Harisa said, and Sister Shalini had said. I've spent most of my time in this auditorium trying to cut class and come here and dance. Back then, I never knew that, I would think that I'm being very clever and I just give my attendance, come here and practice the whole day. But now I knew that the teachers actually knew what I was doing and still silently they supported me to come here and then do what I was good at. And I think that is what has gotten me here, because stage fright is something that I think I had to overcome at a very, very young age, and that is what has led me here. I've danced in this very stage for, I don't know, almost 12 years, and it's very strange for me to be speaking right now. I think I'm supposed to be the entertainer performing for you all, but it feels very, very overwhelming. Thank you so much. There are a few things that I wanted to share with the kids, but I think most of them are parents over here, and I don't even know if they can hear me right now. They seem very, oh, they can. How nice. I understand that in this day and age, there is a lot of noise outside on social media, and there are a lot more things which are more distracting compared to how it was when I was young. But to be in a school like this and to have teachers like this and to see parents who are so supportive is something, because other than just being good at dancing or doing medicine, I think I've received whatever I have because of discipline, knowing what it is to be a good human being and what it is to have empathy, and also to understand that you'll have to, at some point of time, realize that you need to have a conversation with yourself to know who you truly are and who you truly want to be. I think that's very important, and parents play a major role in supporting children in that side. To be very honest, my daddy has never